It's a pleasure to be here in the Senate today and be part of the Micro and Small Business Grant disbursement. And today, ladies and gentlemen, marks a very proud day and a proud moment for the ministry and the nation, as this will be the 41st phase of the disbursements since 2015. For you, the 1,005 micro and small entrepreneurs, you have proven that you have the knowledge and the ability to do business and to improve your livelihoods and positively contribute to the economy. Today's event, ladies and gentlemen, brings the total number of businesses assisted in the Suva Nosori corridor since the inception of this program in to 3,247. The commitment that you have made has impacted the lives of 16,235 people that live in this area. Following today's event, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has actually invested a total of approximately $3.2 million in the people of that live between the Suva and Nosori corridor since 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to reiterate and remind you all that the initiative, and I say this very strongly, the initiative was launched in 2015 by the Honorable Prime Minister and has been ongoing ever since. And this is not the first round of disbursements of grants to successful recipients. And this is not the first year that we are disbursing funds. The MSBG has been used as a political football to mislead and misguide Fijians. And the MSBG initiative, ladies and gentlemen, started in the year 2015 and will be around for a number of years, trust me. The MSBG started as one of the key Fiji First government social initiatives that focused on providing the grassroots communities a platform to actually pursue their dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, the initiative is targeted at people like yourselves who have shown that the entrepreneurial spirit and also just that those that just needed a leg up to start up their businesses or a small head start to take up their businesses to the next level. And your government, ladies and gentlemen, your government recognizes this and has given that leg up that you actually need. We are confident that you will be able to carry your businesses forward and make it successful ventures. Whilst the Fijian economy, with the Fijian economy experiencing growth for the 9th year in a row, it is the responsibility of your government to ensure that everyone has its own fair share of the benefits. That includes people like you that actually need it the most. You make up the micro and small and medium enterprise sector, which is the backbone of our economy. So achieving growth in your business ventures actually contributes to the growth of Fiji. The growth in the MSMEs will create jobs. It will generate income. It will support rural development. It will alleviate poverty and empower our youth and our women and persons with disability. It is for this reason, ladies and gentlemen, that policy interventions into the MSME sector have actually focused on improving the institutional setting, access to finance, business incubation and training, and connecting MSMEs to markets. Ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned earlier, I have just returned from Lambasa yesterday in awarding grant assistance to about 3,464 micro and small entrepreneurs, all like yourselves, that have the same passion and the same commitment to be successful in business and, most importantly, to make a difference in their lives. With today's disbursement, ladies and gentlemen, that more than 36,000 micro and small enterprises have been formalized and assisted through the MSBG initiative since 2015. This has actually impacted about 180,000 Fijians around Fiji, with the Fijian government's investment of approximately $36 million. This is most definitely a worthy cause. We therefore, ladies and gentlemen, want as many of you as possible to be in a position to be able to access finance from banks to expand your current businesses. Small businesses don't always remain small. They only start small. Many grow quickly to become medium and big businesses. Be ambitious and strive for the success of yourselves and your families and for your nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are putting our confidence and our trust in you to use this assistance properly. And all of you have been thoroughly assessed by the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism and the Fiji Development Bank to ensure that only those who genuinely need this assistance and have the will to run a business are supported. Through the MITT and the National Center for Small and Micro Development, we can offer you advice, we can offer you mentoring, we can also give you training and support. So it doesn't end here, ladies and gentlemen, with this grant. We are here every step of the way to ensure that you have the necessary tools that enable you to reach your full potential. In addition to the MSBG grant, there are a number of other initiatives that are targeted at MSMEs. And one such program is the standardized roadside stalls. Through this program, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government provides various standardized roadside stalls to sell their produce from. You may have seen some of them along the Queen's Road and King's Road that have been put up already. This will not only improve the standards, it will also improve presentation and hygiene of produce, but also it gradually assists to mainstream the vendors from the informal to the formal sector. This initiative, again, will also be launched soon in the Northern Division. Ladies and gentlemen, I strongly encourage all of you to make the most of the investment that government has made in your respective businesses, and to ensure that you work on reaching greater heights. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all well and the very best in your business ventures, and God bless you all. Valelevu.
Likomoto. Filomena Likomoto, Veronese Vivita. Toma tanong tumasasaw, kim ni maram kinuturaga. Veronese Vivita, Anerieta Rabukibuki. Salote, Singani Sudhu. Leone Rokona.
Amar Deo Chandrika.
46.
Amelia Andi Maimbao.
47.
Aminyo Naivalule. Avishek Varun Kumar.
34.
Akariba Bula.
35.
Akenetan Dakai Tokona.
36.
Ani Sangangio.
52.
Anita Devi.
53.
Apete Kalindole.
57.
Aruna Mani Sarda.
58.
Asiana Turangandole.